how to change the theme of your Google Colab workspace. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the theme of your Google Colab. So the steps to change the theme are very simple. All you will need to do is first head on to the collab.research.google.com, and once you're inside the Google Colab, simply click onto this settings gear icon at the top right corner, just besides this share button. Now, once you do this, you will see the settings by default. So these are the settings by default under site. You can see this theme option, which is currently set to adaptive. This means it will automatically adapt to the theme of my system. So if my system is in dark mode, it will automatically adapt dark mode. Or if my system is in light mode, it will automatically adapt light mode. If you wish to change any one specifically and to make it permanent, you can simply choose the light option like I have done and then click save button and you can see that the theme changed instantly. So that was all for the tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.